What's happening? What a go on, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Honestly, I hope everybody is in good health and good strength out in the world. Now, my viewers and subscribers, here we are going. I want to talk to you this morning. And this is what I want to talk about. I do a video. Just combine a couple things about Hidden Beauty and Fowl. But me never give you my real opinion and my evaluation of what Hidden Beauty say and what Fowl say. Now, today me go give you my opinion. Remember, my opinion and when me see and when me get out of the two friend turn enemy videos. Now, my viewers and subscribers, me want to say this to each and everyone. Friendship is very important. Yeah, man, friendship is very important. But there is a thing that break friendship, break everything in the world. And it's money and trust. Money and trust are two of the most dangerous thing on the planet called Earth. And it mash up anybody. Mash up everybody sometimes. But today, I want to outline a few things between these two brothers, between these two friends, turn enemy. First, I want to talk to Hidden. Hidden Beauty, me no know you, you no know me. Fowl, me no know you, you no know me. This is just my evaluation, my opinion, and what me see when put out in the atmosphere. First, me go talk to Hidden Beauty. Hidden Beauty, me realize in your video you say, man I try bring you down. And me go say this to you. Me don't think nobody try bring you down, you know. You bring down yourself. And let me explain. This video where you make, Hidden Beauty, the video where you make, where you say I can clear the ear, you should make that video there. You should make that video there. Or you see when you make that video there and you watch that video, you should have never put out that video. Because you put out that video, and that video where you put out, my brother, that video where you put out no make no sense. Hidden Beauty has something coming up. Me no hide when me attack. Me attack the thing. And me go tell you something. When you make that video and you use the word, you and Fowl build the channel together as a partnership. Me love that word. Yeah, man, me love that word. But when me hear what Fowl say, you say, him Fowl I work with you. And when me hear Fowl I talk about, you never have Fowl as a partnership, man. No, man, you never have him as a partnership. You have him as a boy I work for you. Remember now, me I tell about my opinion. And when me see, and when me get out of the two videos. Now, there is something you're saying in your video where trouble me from me hear the word. When you say, Fowl get all of the money from the first paycheck you get. From me hear that me know a lie. Brother, from me hear that me know a lie. You are tell. Remember me tell him. As me hear him, me say, no. There is no way. Him, I go do that. But then, me think about it a little bit. And I said to myself, say, hold on. You and Fowl build a channel. But the channel account is your account. Maybe though, you did get a check first or you get in your bank account. But the thing is, how Fowl would get that money if the account is yours? If you them a pay the money. If your name depend the account. So Aiden, you see what me I say though? Me hope you see what me I say and I don't think me I come at you. Because me now come at you, me just tear down the video where two no make. Me just tear it down and I show you in my opinion, in my take, what me say. Them things there, you shouldn't say them things there none at all. Yeah man, you should keep your mouth shut. You shouldn't come out and make that video. I tell you the truth, that video put you, if you did there at 20, that video put you at 5. That video where you make, discredit every credit where you have. If you understand what I mean. So in other words, is every trust where you have, you lose every trust from people where you have. And then, when Fowl make film video, he even turn you over more because me not tell you the truth. And me not tell you no lie. You see Fowl video more honest than fear. Yeah man, I'll be honest man. Fowl video is more honest than fear. Fear video make up of a lot of lies and a lot of twist and rigmarole. You come out in your video with the intention of hurting Fowl. And let me tell you which part you make yourself looks. Me not gonna use no word like me or calling a name, but me will tell you which part you make yourself look small. A content creator make a video, say them not say Fowl in your video, and Fowl have a video up on film channel. Mark, you know, Fowl make film video, you know, can me see the video, you know, and Fowl say Aiden and Wi-Fi couldn't be there, so that means Fowl a protect it to you in a video we make panning channel. So if you realize Fowl a protect the two you know, by saying uno no did it in a film video. Now a content creator do a video say what happened, something not right. You come out, come say something because you get upset off what the content creator say. I'm going to tell you something. Listen, watch me now, good. You see, anytime you are doing another interview, or you are going to clear the ear about something, never do this. It's what I do. Never fold your hand like that. You know why? When you fold your hand like that, you are tell lie. When you fold your hand like that, and I do this, and I do this, yeah man, you are tell lie. Me and them clean, me just have give you my opinion. But your whole video was a mess. When you sit down and listen to what Fowl have to say about the issue, Fowl was clear and everything. But what I want to say to you is this. You should have respect Fowl, you know. Yeah man, you should have give Fowl all respect. You shouldn't come out and make that video there. And what Fowl say in a film video, where say, when you see him video, you should have called him and say, yo, you make your video. You should have happy for him. And let me say this to you. Hear what you say. You say no money make you and Fowl mash up. And because Fowl go off, go make video pan him own. Now, in beauty, there's no way you should have make a video and say that. You shouldn't say that out of your mouth. You say, with your hand a point like this, the reason make we broke up, the reason make we fall out, is because you go off, go make video. And no make you even know about the video. When Fowl say, the brethren them come, and you never want to come, because him contact you. Fowl also say, him never plan to make a video either. And him just say, "Cho, make him make the video." But here what me I said to you. If Fowl never want to make no video, Fowl is a grown man, you know. He's a big man. If him decide say him not go make no video, and he make a video, him no need no proof from you for post him video on him channel. Listen me now. Listen me good now. Fowl do not need any go ahead from you for build him channel, for start him channel. To be honest with you, you should have help him for start him channel. Hold on. Me not want really call nobody name, you know. But check this out. Have you really take anything out of Colorsmith book? You realize every single body around Colorsmith have a YouTube channel? Who help them? Colors help them, and then start, all of them have a channel. Every single one of them. So, to me, is you never want Fowl to have a channel because you know say Fowl are the art of hidden beauty TV. You know that, everybody know that. Now, take a look at Fowl video them when I make pan him channel. You see how they look nice? Yeah, man, me subscribe over there. Because me like what I do. You say every video, everything will happen. In a hidden, are you design it, are you come up with it? We will all see what you come up with now with your channel. You also say you are a big diver. A man a tell lie for you can't dive, but Fowl say, them would have to come look for you, come to save your life. So again, more lies. Me just want to ask you why. Did you wasn't a true friend to Fowl? Yeah, man. Hidden Beauty wasn't a true friend to Fowl. Hidden Beauty was a person, well, at first, before YouTube, them did good. Them did alright. Fowl was the realest one. Yeah, man, if you listen, because when you check it out, Fowl say Hidden used to play football, and I asked him, say, why if your foot broke? That's a person who care about another one. Me never hear Hidden put no point out there. But when me Hidden Beauty, when me see her do, was vicious as a friend. When you talk about the man of woman, that never did have a company here. That never did have a company here. You never did have to say that. You never did have to talk nothing about that. And that, before that, me realize you want to mash down the brother, the Fowl. And when me hear you say that, at that time me really realize, say, you know, like Fowl, you want Fowl to go down. Yeah, man. You should never use that word. Because guess what? You come to clear the ear. And this is where you don't understand. You come to clear the ear about something where a man, a content creator see and say. And you start to talk about you Fowl and you Fowl. You never did do that. You did, if you go clear the ear, you did come clear the ear, say, this is how you should have done. Maybe be your PO, maybe be the person for you. You should have come and say, me and Fowl, we not have nothing. Fowl have him channel, Fowl start a channel, now, and we still have Hidden Beauty channel. Then you contact Fowl, and when you contact Fowl, you ask him about the channel and all them things. Because remember, Fowl say his plan was for have him channel and still that Hidden Beauty. But no, you never want Fowl to have a channel, none at all. As Fowl himself said, you never want the youth to have a channel. Me tell you that. You never want him to have a channel. You do not feel comfortable if you know, say, one of the most dangerous hunter in a Jamaica have a channel for himself. You never want him to have a channel. And then you go out, start to talk about the man have a woman. When we never know that. We never know that, you know. All of the problem in our group, we never know that at all. But also, here we Fowl say. Fowl say you go and tell him baby mother all kind of sitting and you mash up the relationship already. And Fowl still have you as in friend, still there on your adult video. Let me tell you something. You lose a good friend. You know this song I say, let me know you lose a friend, lose a friend. May I tell you, you lose one of the best person you can ever want to have in your life. Fowl. Yeah, man, you lose a good friend over money. Also, Fowl says something about having a friend, a white lady, for over 3 years that person communicate with you and you communicate with that person. And that person kept asking about Fowl. And you kept pushing off that lady, put off that lady because you don't want the lady to get connect with Fowl. No, that is not friend. That is not a friend person. There is, let me tell you something, Eden. There is so much things in your video and in a Fowl video will show you up. I know you must sit down and sorry say you did make that video. You should have done the most important thing by just not say a word. I can't bet right now you sit down and say you shouldn't say nothing. Yeah, man. I can't bet you sit down and say you shouldn't say nothing at all. Because that's what you should do. You shouldn't say a word. You should keep it to yourself. Yeah, man, you should keep it to yourself because what you do is you make yourself look small, you make yourself look bad mind, you make yourself look very dangerous to be around. And also, let's say, as we Fowl say, you know I get 400,000. You say the channel I get 430,000. Because you're sending me text to you, so how you have fear pay your Wi-Fi 20,000 and you are collect 200 and you give Fowl 200 and the Wi-Fi we did it with you, I get 20,000. That just to show how dangerous it is, and that's why me could I tell you say Fowl is 120% right when him say you move the money from one place to the other. Let me say this to you. Me have 6,000 subscribers on my channel. Yeah, 6,000 subscribers on the channel. Me now get half the money we want to get from the channel. Not even half. Not even 3/4. Not even 0.1. But at the same time, the money we me see on my channel, where me have 6,000 and you have over 100, I really lie you I tell about 400,000 Jamaican dollar. Because remember this. 430,000 Jamaican dollars is how much money? 4,000 US dollar. So just think about a person with 15,000 or 10,000. Okay, let's say a person have 10,000 subscribers and I get views like you. He may find himself a pick up to 2,000 US. And all him have is 10,000 subscribers. But let's say him have 140,000 subscribers. And he might get 100,000 views per all videos where him do. Do you know how much money that is? So you just mess up yourself. You lose a good friend and you lose a lot of people. A lot of people now go really come around you. You go gain new people still because you know how to say go. You know. And me not have nothing bad to say about you because me don't know you. The only thing me have to say to you is don't treat people like that. Not treat people like that. Worse are your friend. If you have a friend, and when you have a friend, I want to make money, build together. And do not bad mind your friend for what them achieve, or what them have, or what them can get. And also, if you have a friend, and you and your friend go up and down, and your friend go talk to a woman, this is what you do. You tell the friend, say, no bother with that. Yeah, man. Before the friend start it, you tell the friend, say, no bother with that, you know, brother. Because you know the friend, woman. So you go to the friend and say to the friend, say, yo, man, you, no bother with that, you know, virgin. Bother with that, man. You have your woman down some man. Instead, you watch the man do it, then go tell him, woman. Why you do that? The only reason why you would do that is to mess him up. To mash him up. Look, the man say, every time him and the woman kick off and he come around and him a school, you no laugh, you no happy. Because you know what you are do. Hey, Hidden Beauty. You think you're easy? You not easy, no hidden. He's a dangerous man. Yeah, man, he's a dangerous man. Yeah, man, you don't stop yourself. But anyway, viewers and subscribers, that's just my take, my opinion, my feedback on the whole Hidden Beauty and Fowl situation. And to each and everyone out there, when you have a friend, treat a friend good. Treat a friend with respect. Care about a friend. Don't use money. Don't make money mess up on your life. Don't make money mash up what you have go on. You grow up, you build a foundation from a little bit. So don't make because of money you mess up what good things you have for each other. Peace and love, enough respect, enough manners, and I'm out. Bye-bye. I eat that.